resin. Let's start it!
Hi guys, today I want to share with you all my mistakes and all my tricks which I was working with resin. At the moment I'm gonna sculpt Mermaid. I'm starting making her eyes, sculpting her face and whole her body as you see on the video. And after I started working with resin, which I will share with you what mistake I did and what disasters come out after when I finished my resin, and I did so much hard work when I was doing it. So this is Mermaid. I still looking for a name for her. If you give me some suggestion, I will be very happy. She has no name, but I hope you will help me to find her name. Don't forget to wear your gloves because that's really important. And as you see, I'm mixing hardener with resin, and you need to be sure you have to measure really carefully when you mix the resin, because little mistake, your resin not gonna be hard, it will be soft, it's not gonna get dry properly, it doesn't mix, it does create so much disasters, to be honest. And that's why when you mix it, make sure you have some plastic, like I have plastic cap which has all these measurements, they're showing how much I'm putting. I put it 100 millimeter, so whatever. So I put it harder now, and that's the second one I put in resin. And on top of that resin I will put hardener, and I will mix really very carefully to avoid any bubbles, everything. My first mistake is be organized before mixing the resin, because when I was thinking how to put the Mermaid or what position to put, my resin started getting hard, which I started panicking. And when I put the chiffon, all this stuff, fabrics, and I realized the resin getting harder so quickly, and I started panicking. I didn't know what to do, and I tried to push really hard. That was my number mistake. And please guys, be organized before you mix in the resin. And my mistake number second, this is when I was just trying to put the Mermaid and the resin, the rubber box, I forgot how she gonna stand, because she was bending to left side, and that is really difficult to move. And I found some metal wire and I put under Mermaid. But make sure wherever you put or hold your doll, whatever you do, make sure to take it off on the time. You need to remember resin dry really fast. As you can see, after when resin is getting dry, the bending started underneath. Whatever you put, resin take the shape, and you can see some wobbly or some really not straight line. That's why it's don't panic, guys. When you see that, that's absolutely normal. So as you can see, edges is completely curved, no straight, and absolutely not happy about all structure. But I knew that gonna be happens. That's why I prepared sanding papers. I knew I had to sand hours and hours to get the result what I want. So watch my video and see what happened next. So you need to have a lot of patience because this is no very fast procedure. It takes me about 3-4 hours to get result what I wanted. I'm not joking, guys. It takes me 3-4 hours to finish the result what I wanted. So I started to sanding with 600 dry paper, and after dry paper I started using wet sanding paper. Wet, you need to use water as lot as you can. Just splash the water and use sanding paper on the top of resin, and don't give up. As you see, it's really blurry and you can't even imagine it's gonna be alright, but believe me guys, it's gonna be absolutely beautiful. Just have so much patience, take a deep breath, listen to some music, just enjoy the procedure. After, when I'm happy, I start waxing, which I'm really do apologize guys, I accidentally deleted that video. I'm really sorry guys. I hope you understand, it's sometimes we do mistake as a humans. So that is result. Thank you for watching and just be creative. Thank you guys, and don't forget to leave some name for my mermaid. Thank you.